Welcome. So, for today's episode of the styling series, I have yet another black look for you, and today it is a black and silver look for you. So, as you must have noticed, I am all about transitionable looks that you can transition into. For example, you could wear this outfit for if you are going to someone else's place, for if you're going to a religious space, for if you're just running around going to the market just to get your groceries, or for if you are just going to hang out with your friends, or even to a home party or a house party. So this look is really beautiful because it makes you look elegant because you are not accessorizing a lot. The only possible accessory that I have on myself are these earrings and the ring that I really never take off because that's my dad's ring and that is sort of like a memory of my dad, so I never really take it off. So today I have styled them with some tight leggings. However, you could even style them with pants, you could style them with some shararas, you could even style them with some plazos. And yeah, because we want to keep it minimal, that is why I've added a silver dupatta instead of a black one to complement my eye look. So we are adding silver accessories, silver eye look, and the dupatta. That's about it. And letting your personality rule, that is what is the key, my friend. That is what is the key. So as for my makeup, you can see that I have this beautiful yet natural silver look going on, and this look is also transitionable. So this is something that you can wear to someone else's place as well, while you could also wear it to run errands. This is not a very crazy eye look, so this would not ever look as if you've put in too much efforts. I have a video of how to create this look on my YouTube, so you could go check that out. So these are the deets of this ensemble, and yes, I do realize that it is a little bit loose on me because I wanted to wear it like that. However, also I just want to put it out there that I have lost some weight. So yeah, this is a little ill-fitting because it should have been like this. However, it is like this. So yeah, that's how it is, but it still looks pretty, it still looks effortless, and that is what we want to look. We don't want to look as if we've spent 10, 100,000 hours thinking about our outfit.